Let's now continue with our coverage. And for the second time in just 1 week, officials of the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union evaded a 1-month prison sentence meted by the Employment and Labour Relations Court. It was a reprieve that came from the most unlikely quarters. Well, KTN's news Timothy Otieno has the details.
The 7 union officials would, for the first time since appearing before Lady Justice Hellen Wasilwa 3 weeks ago, take to the docks, anticipating the start of a 4-week prison sentence for fighting for a cause that has seen healthcare in the country ail for the last 9 weeks. But an unexpected reprieve would accompany the doctors in court today.
My name is Francis Atwoli.
This man, KOTU Secretary General Francis Atwoli, would seek to be enjoined in the case alongside the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, and his request was simple.
Kindly give us more days, and I have asked specifically 7 days. We will endeavor to make sure that we reach a solution.
But it's a request that would receive swift opposition from the Council of Governors, who through their lawyer insisted that for too long the officials had taken the court system for a ride.
The mockery of the court, my lady. The mockery of the judiciary, my lady. And it will look like a circus after today, really. So we cannot also apprehend what you're going to rule. You have your ruling ready. In all honesty, I don't think there's been an industrial relations court like this one. You have been most indulgent. We are set.
Lady Justice Hellen Wasilwa would, however, welcome the intervention by KOTU, directing that the union head a multi-agency negotiating team involving the Federation of Kenya Employers, the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, the Council of Governors, the Office of the Attorney General, the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Union, the Public Service Commission, and the Ministries of Labour and Finance.
If Mr. Atwoli will let me down, I'm extending this job to you. I'll proceed because the ruling is ready and deliver my ruling on Monday, the 13th of February.
Now we are going to put several authorities on the table for the doctors to see, and we are also going to rightly consult when we are with them together. And I'm sure positively after they have seen that, and we will compare with other organizations of similar nature.
The 7-day extension of the sentencing, allowing more time for negotiations, even as the doctors remained adamant that theirs was a battle with only one end in sight: the implementation of an agreement signed in 2013.
There is no greater deed to frustrate the doctor in the name of bringing sanity to the patient. The two are intertwined. And in the next 7 days, that is the message the public must be aware of.
The doctors' strike in its 61st day is the second longest industrial action taken by the country's medics since independence. So it's yet another reprieve for the doctors in the form of KOTU Secretary General Francis Atwoli, who promises that within 7 days he will do that which the courts and over 6 negotiation meetings have failed to do: move the doctors out of the streets and back to work. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.